Welcome, in front of me is HP ELITEBOOK 846, and in this video I will show you how to enter recovery mode on this laptop. So I'm gonna show you two ways of how you can enter the recovery mode on this laptop, but before I do that I want to show to you how to find your recovery keys in case your device gets locked by BitLocker. Now once you enter recovery mode or once you do anything here that triggers the BitLocker, which happens very oftenly, therefore I know that you might not have access to the internet, but you can access your recovery keys using any other device, which I'm also going to do. So right now let me switch to a different device and show you how to access your recovery keys. Now on any other device or on your laptop, if you have access to your system, open a web browser and start searching for aka.ms/myrecoverykey. Now use this address in your search field, press enter, and then you're gonna have to sign into your Microsoft account. And once the Microsoft account that is linked with your laptop, and once you do that, click next. Excuse me, not this one. Let me try once again. So enter your email or phone number that is linked to the Microsoft account. Then click next. Then either enter the password or use a code sent to your email in order to sign in. Press enter and then wait until the following page loads up. And on the following page you're gonna see a table with 4 columns. The main column we're looking for is the recovery key, but if you've had more than one device linked to this Microsoft account, you're gonna have a list of these devices, and in order to find them, you can either use the device name column or the key upload date in order to find the recovery key to this specific laptop. Now if you know your device name, then you're gonna easily find the recovery key matching with your device name. Now, or if you know the date when you last set up your Windows account on this laptop, you can search by key upload date. Unfortunately, they are not sorted by key upload date, so you're gonna have to search the entire table. But generally speaking, if you have constant access to this table, you don't have to check for your recovery key just yet. Check the key ID table. Right now it has a bunch of keys in it probably, but right now you don't know which key ID is matching to your recovery key. But if this laptop gets locked by a BitLocker, you will see the key ID on your screen, and once you see the key ID on the screen, you'll be able to use it in order to find the matching recovery key, which you will enter into the BitLocker key field and therefore unlock your laptop. So I hope that was understandable, and now let's get back to the laptop, and I'm gonna show you the first method to enter the recovery mode. Okay, so the first method of entering the recovery mode is only available if you have access to your system, or at least if you can reach the lock screen page. So in order to restart your computer into recovery mode, you have to go to the start menu, then go to power options, and at this point you can hold down the right shift button, then select power, restart, and keep holding the right shift button until your device is restarted, or basically until you see the please wait sign under the HP logo. Okay, so right now you can release the right shift button and just wait until your device boots up into recovery mode. And once you're here, you can navigate using your touchpad or arrow keys to navigate, and enter to select, backspace to go back. You can go to troubleshoot, advanced options, basically wherever you want, but right now I'm gonna go back and select turn off this PC in order to show you the second way of how you can enter the recovery mode. And the second way is basically a brute force method. In order to use it, you're gonna have to turn on your PC, wait until the logo appears on your screen, and then hold down the power button in order to shut it down. In the meantime, while your device is booting up. So at this point, hold down the power button and wait until your device's screen goes off, and then turn it back on by pressing the power button once again, and repeat this process 2 times at least. And on the 3rd time, you're gonna see the preparing automatic repair sign under the logo, but if you don't see it, just repeat it once again. Okay, so right now let's turn on the laptop for the 3rd time, and let's see if the preparing automatic repair screen appears. Okay, so right now you don't have to turn off your laptop, just wait until it either enters the recovery mode or gets locked by a BitLocker, because it usually happens at this point. But just in case, you already know what to do. But let's wait and see what happens now. Okay, so right now select the advanced options. And as you can see, the BitLocker wasn't triggered. Let's go to troubleshoot, advanced options, and let's select startup settings. Let's restart our PC just to check if this triggers BitLocker, so I can show you what to do if it does. But if it doesn't, we still know what to do. Okay, so the BitLocker wasn't triggered. I'm gonna press enter to return to Windows. And that's basically all for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.